Mastering conversational challenges. Say it to my face. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating expression that you might have heard in English conversations. Say it to my face. This phrase is rich in emotion and context, and understanding it can greatly enhance your conversational skills in English. Let's explore its meaning, usage, and the nuances that come with it. Ready? Let's get started. Say it to my face is a phrase that challenges someone to repeat something they've said about you, but directly to you rather than behind your back. It often implies that the speaker believes the other person has made a negative comment or criticism and is daring them to be honest and open about their feelings or opinions. This phrase can convey a range of emotions, from anger and defiance to a demand for respect and honesty. The context in which "say it to my face" is used can greatly affect its meaning. It can be seen in confrontational situations, where someone feels insulted or belittled and wants to confront the issue head-on. Seeking clarity. In less aggressive scenarios, it might be used to encourage transparency and openness in communication. In media and popular culture, this phrase is often used in movies, TV shows, and songs to depict a moment of confrontation or challenge. Understanding the tone and context is key to interpreting the phrase correctly and responding appropriately. Using "say it to my face" requires careful consideration of the situation and relationship between the people involved. It's important to remember that this phrase can escalate a situation or conflict. Here are some tips on using it. Assess the situation. Ensure it's appropriate and won't cause unnecessary harm or escalation. Consider your tone. The way you say it can change its impact. A calm tone can invite honest communication, while an aggressive tone may provoke conflict. Be prepared for the response. If you challenge someone to speak openly, be ready to hear what they have to say and to respond constructively. In situations where direct confrontation might not be the best approach, consider these alternatives. I'd appreciate your honesty. Can we talk about what you said? I heard you had some thoughts about me. Can we discuss them? These phrases invite open dialogue without the confrontational undertone. Understanding the phrase, "say it to my face," and using it wisely can add a powerful tool to your conversational toolkit. It's all about context, tone, and the intention behind the words. We hope this video has given you insight into navigating challenging conversations with confidence and grace. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.